We got this on our Black Friday deal. This iRobot Roomba is a vacuuming robot. Kanak and Daddy, they both are super excited to unbox this robot. Let's see how it looks inside the box. You can see it is super compact. I'm super excited that now I would be able to have hands-free cleaning. I won't have to let anyone come into my house for cleaning and still my house would be clean. After doing a lot of research, we just zeroed down to this iRobot Roomba 960. This robot is little on the higher end side of the price, but feature-wise, it meets our requirement very well.
This looks to be a charging station. This is the cable for the charger.
That's the manual.
Manual. What's this? Oh, this is a wall barrier, so we can put it in the room where we don't want this vacuum to go. Or there are some filters. What else? That's about it. Let's open the manual. Okay, so it says first to hook this charger to the outlet and put this vacuum for 3 hours of the charge. Okay, here we have put our charging station. Now I'm going to charge this robot for 3 hours. So let's put it there. I hope it got connected. Okay, looks like it.
Oh yes, now it's charging.
When it's charging, let's set up the app in our phone and we'll get it connected to this robot.
Let's see how it works. So it's moving around, it's going near the stairs. Let's see if it falls or it works well. So again it's gone near the stairs. See, it didn't fall. That's one of the best thing about this. Now there it goes under. Definitely my house will be more clean now. Just near the edges. If it doesn't fall, that would be awesome.
Mommy, I hope he doesn't fall.
Yes, I also hope that he doesn't fall. And my place is super clean. I can see the cleanliness. Oh my God. look under the table. It's so messy and dirty.